mention.
Just wait. Iqbal, what is the fate now of these RLMs?
Actually, RLM is already reviewed from our end, approved from our side. Now they have to prepare the as-built drawing and submit to, in Equinix for company review and approval.
Yeah, but what does it mean approved from our end? We don't, when we don't have even a record of approval for RLM.
No, we have signed copies.
So why don't they just circulate the RLM over the Equinix have a record and automatically it will reach end user?
Yeah.
Okay, Punarad, do one thing. As I told you today morning,
Yes.
just submit the RLM register complete for substation 9, which will cover diversion, HP and LP, and all RLM drawing along with this RLM register. And submit through Equinix.
In fact, they should submit RLM for approval itself and let end user approve it. So just to have a record of approval from the people who are going to use it.
Yeah, true, very true. So guys, this is again important point, because when we are going to hand over to operation and maintenance, they must have all as-built drawings and documents so that they can use in case of any maintenance or in case of any troubleshooting. Okay. So
Niaz, why this has not been submitted for approval until now? Okay. When it was made ready. Otherwise, the commissioning wouldn't even have been carried out.
No, RLM is already signed at site level, sir. It's already reviewed by your team and signed. And it is also submitted through Equinix.
Well, is it submitted by Equinix?
No, still we didn't receive through Equinix, but physically they submitted to us and we verified and signed.
No, by us means what? Where